Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Dr. Arshia, and today I have a very good game-changing news regarding the COVID-19 treatment. Apparently, a group of scientists in Israel managed to find the new drugs that really can help and cure those moderate and severe cases of COVID-19. So, if you want to know more about these drugs, don't forget to subscribe and follow me to this video. Well, what is this drugs and how does it work? This medicine called Exo CD24, and it's developed in Tel Aviv in the Ashilov Medical Center. In the first trial, they give this medicine to 30 patients from the moderate to very severe cases, and all of them have been cured. The 29 of the patients left the hospital within the 3 to 5 days after they received the drugs, and the last person, because it was a very severe case, also left few days after that, but all of them survived. So this means this drugs was 100% successful. So how does these drugs work? Well, in a very simple term, these drugs work by moderating the deadly overload of the immune system, which is the result of the cytokine storm. As I've been mentioning from the beginning of this pandemic, most of the patients do not die because of the virus. They die from their own immune system. Means their immune system go into the cytokine storm, and at this stage, their immune system start to damaging the healthy tissue and healthy organs, as well as they start to cause lots of inflammation. And when this happens inside the lung, it basically make the lung lose its functionality, no more exchange of the oxygen and the carbon dioxide. Therefore, the oxygen level will go down inside the blood, and we all know what does that road lead to. So this drugs is very efficient and amazingly work in a very beautiful way. So those patients had to inhale these drugs once a day for few minutes only. And I will explain to you how does this work. But basically, with the technique that they use by inhaling, they bring this medicine right at a place it should do its activity, which is the lung of the patient. And that's the main problem of most of the people who dealing with the coronavirus infection. Also, they use nanotechnology. So basically, they use exosome and they use CD24. They encapsulate the CD24 with the exosome. Basically, patient by inhaling these drugs, they bring these drugs to their lung, and it start to work at the intercellular level and help the patient to survive by calming down the immune system right at the place that it's causing damage. So I'm gonna explain more about CD24, little bit more technical. Basically, in developing these drugs, there was two factors, as I said, exosome and CD24. Both of these factors are naturally produced inside our body. Exosome is like a pocket that produced from the cell membranes for the intercellular communication. So basically, cell, imagine sending this exosome to each other like a pocket to send the signal and the message. So these scientists use this exosome, then they use it as a pocket and they put CD24 inside this pocket. So basically, they encapsulate the CD24 protein by this exosome. Why this is very genius and very interesting? Because with the nanotechnology, and when the person do the inhalation, this is such a small particle that it can really reach everywhere right at the center of the damage. So this could really help the patient to recover much faster. So what is CD24? CD24 basically is a sialoglycoprotein. It works like an antigen. It expresses itself at the surface of so many cells, and especially on the surface of the immune system cell, white cells such as B cell, T cell, and dendritic cell. And it has the ability to reverse the cytokine storm, calm it down, as well as reverse the inflammation. By inhibiting the dendritic cell DC activation, it also reduces the inflammation. So it has two important jobs. One, it regulates the activity of the white cell. At the same time, with this activity, it stops the white cell to cause more inflammation. So by these two amazing activity, and right sending it to the right place at the heart of the problem, which is the lung in these cases, it can really work drastically. Just please keep that in mind that this drug still needs WHO approval, but right now in Israel, they already use it for the patient as a possible cure. So I hope WHO approve this drug as soon as possible. And I hope this video was interesting for you. If it was, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Until next time, I wish you all stay safe and well.